The goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades. Money is secondary. By Alexander Elder. What if I told you that the biggest hurdle to your trading success isn't the market itself, your strategy, or even how much cash you have to play with? It's something way more powerful and, believe it or not, completely within your control. Sounds intriguing, right? Stick around, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm diving into the most crucial trading psychology lesson that nobody seems to talk about. It's all about your mindset. Think about it. How many times have you let fear or greed mess with your decisions? I've been there too. It can totally change the way you see the markets. This lesson could really flip your whole trading game upside down. So get ready to rethink everything you thought you knew. Traders and aspiring market masters, let's jump right into it. Today, we're diving deep into the psychology of trading, which is super important for your success in the markets, and understanding your mindset can make or break your trades. Ever noticed how emotions like fear and greed can lead you to make snap decisions? It's wild. So, let's explore how to master those feelings and turn them into your allies instead of your enemies. Trust me, this is going to be a game changer for you. You've probably heard all the usual advice. Manage your risk, control your emotions, stick to your strategy. But there's one fundamental psychological principle that underpins all of these. And it's something that even seasoned traders often struggle with. Ever found yourself stuck in a loop, making the same trading mistakes again and again? Maybe you dive into trades way too early, or you just can't seem to let go of those losing positions when you know you should. If you're nodding your head, trust me, you're definitely not alone in this. Here's the thing though, it's not about being smart or lacking information. Nope, it goes way deeper than that. It's all tied to your beliefs about yourself and how you see the market. For instance, if you think you have to always be in the action, you might jump in too soon. But what if you believed in waiting for the right moment? That shift could change everything. So, let's dig into how those beliefs shape your trading journey. The biggest trading psychology lesson that you've probably never heard is this. Your subconscious beliefs totally shape how you trade way more than any fancy strategy or system ever will. It's wild how much your mindset can impact your success. Let that sink in for a moment. Your deeply held beliefs about money, success, and your own abilities are quietly guiding your every decision in the market. Think about it. If you believe that making money is hard, you might hesitate to take risks. Or if you doubt your skills, you might shy away from opportunities that could really boost your career. Those limiting beliefs, they can totally sabotage your efforts without you even realizing it. It's like having a hidden anchor holding you back while everyone else is sailing ahead. So, what's the fix? Start challenging those beliefs. Look for examples of people who broke through their doubts and found success. You might be surprised at how much your mindset can change your game. Think about it for a second. What if deep down, you really believe you don't deserve to be wealthy? How likely are you to hold on to a winning trade? You might just let it slip away. And if you think trading success is all about being right every single time, how are you going to deal with those inevitable losses? It's tough, I know. You might feel like a failure and want to give up, but here's the thing. Every trader faces losses. It's all part of the game. Embracing that reality can actually help you bounce back stronger. So, shifting your mindset is key. These beliefs aren't just some lofty ideas floating around. They actually show up in super tangible and often pricey ways when you're trading. It's wild, right? Some traders can stick to a winning system like glue and still end up in the red, while others seem to have this magical knack for reading the market. Take, for instance, a trader who meticulously follows every rule of a strategy but still loses. Meanwhile, a buddy who relies on gut feelings might score big just by sensing a shift. It's all about mindset and intuition, and that's what makes trading such a fascinating game. Awareness is key. So, let's dive into how we can tackle this. Start by really tuning into your self-talk. Are you the type who beats yourself up over every little mistake? Or do you see the market as this huge enemy you have to conquer? These little stories you tell yourself are like breadcrumbs, leading to your deeper beliefs. For example, if you think trading is a battle, you might feel stressed every time you face a loss. Instead, try flipping that script. View losses as learning moments, not failures. This shift can totally change your trading game. What do you think? Challenge those beliefs. Okay. If you ever catch yourself thinking, I always mess up my entries, take a moment and really ask yourself, is that actually true? I mean, think about those times when you nailed it. Maybe you spotted a great opportunity or made a smart trade. By questioning those automatic thoughts, you can start to loosen their grip on your trading decisions. It's all about shifting your mindset, right? When you recognize those little wins, it builds your confidence and helps you make better choices next time. So, keep it real and remember, you're not defined by your mistakes, but awareness and challenge are just the beginning. To truly transform your trading psychology, you need to actively work on reprogramming your subconscious mind. This is where techniques like visualization, affirmations, and mindfulness come into play. Visualization is super powerful, just think about it. If you take a little time each day to really picture yourself as the trader you want to be, it can make a huge difference. Imagine yourself, cool and collected, executing your strategy like a pro, handling risks like a champ, and raking in those profits consistently. The more vivid and real you can make these mental images, the more your subconscious will start to sync up with this new version of you. It's like training your mind to see success before it happens. So, picture yourself at your trading desk, feeling that rush of confidence as you make those smart moves. Trust me, it works. Affirmations can truly be a game changer when you get them right. The secret sauce here is that they need to feel real and hit home emotionally. Instead of going for something over the top, like "I'm the world's greatest trader," which your brain might roll its eyes at, why not say, "I'm always learning and improving my trading skills"? This feels way more relatable, right? Make it a daily ritual. Try saying these affirmations every morning before you dive into your trading day and again at the end to reflect on your progress. You'll be amazed at how this simple practice can shift your mindset and boost your confidence in your trading journey. Trust me, it's all about setting the right vibe for success. Mindfulness meditation is an awesome tool for totally reshaping your trading mindset. When you practice being aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment, you really start to create some space between those knee-jerk reactions and your actual trading choices. That little pause can mean everything. It's the difference between jumping into a trade without thinking and making a smart, calculated decision. For example, let's say you see a stock dip suddenly and your heart races. Instead of rushing in, take a breath, check in with how you're feeling, and assess the situation. This practice helps you stay cool and collected, making your trading experience way more enjoyable and effective. You'll be amazed at how much clarity you can gain when you give yourself that moment to reflect. Here's a concept that really ties everything together: the growth mindset. Traders with this mindset see challenges as golden opportunities to learn and grow, not just as threats to their pride. When they face losses, they don't sulk. Instead, they treat those moments as priceless feedback for improvement. Think about it. Every time you hit a bump in the road, you can either get discouraged or dig deeper to understand what went wrong. This approach is absolutely crucial for long-term success in trading. It's like building muscle. You have to embrace the struggle to get stronger. So, how about you? Are you ready to embrace that growth mindset and turn setbacks into stepping stones? To really develop a growth mindset in trading, you've got to start by flipping the script on your experiences. Instead of saying, "I failed," try saying, "I learned something valuable." It's all about perspective. Keeping a trading journal is a game changer. Don't just jot down your trades, dive into your feelings too. What sparked those emotions today? Did you feel excited, anxious, or maybe even frustrated? Reflect on how you handled those feelings. Could you approach things differently next time? For instance, if you felt panic during a downturn, maybe next time you can take a deep breath and stick to your plan. Each entry helps you grow and become a better trader. So, let's embrace those lessons. The market, it really doesn't care about your ego or how you did yesterday. Every single day is a fresh chance to take what you've learned and level up your trading game. Think about it. Maybe you had a killer week last week, but that doesn't guarantee today will be the same. Embrace that reality. When you do, you'll find yourself bouncing back from setbacks, adapting to new challenges, and ultimately finding success in ways you never imagined. It's all about growth, and that's where the magic happens. Let's put into this right now. Think back to a trade that didn't go quite as planned. Instead of beating yourself up over it, take a moment to flip the script. Ask yourself, what can I actually learn from this experience? Maybe you misread the market trends or jumped in too soon. Whatever it is, see it as a chance to grow. Shifting your perspective like this can really change your trading game for the better. It's all about turning those setbacks into stepping stones. Trust me, this little change in mindset can do wonders for your trading psychology. So, how can you use this lesson to level up your next trade? I totally get where you're coming from. You might be thinking, this all sounds awesome, but I really need some practical strategies. Here's the scoop. Your mindset plays a huge role in every single part of your trading journey. Imagine having the most sophisticated strategy out there, but if your subconscious is telling you that you're not good enough or that you'll fail, it's like running uphill with a backpack full of rocks. Take, for instance, a trader who has a killer plan but panics at the first sign of a dip. That's a classic case where mindset can derail everything. So, it's super important to work on those inner beliefs because they can either propel you forward or hold you back. Balancing your strategy with a strong mental game. That's the winning combo. Others might say, I've tried positive thinking before, and it didn't work. Remember, this isn't about slapping a band-aid of positivity over deep-seated beliefs. It's about doing the hard work of uncovering and transforming those beliefs at their core. It takes time and consistent effort, but the results can be truly transformative. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought. Your trading success is not determined by the market or by some elusive holy grail strategy. It's determined by you, by your beliefs, your mindset, and your willingness to grow and adapt. The most important trading psychology lesson that no one ever told you is that your subconscious mind is the ultimate puppet master of your trading decisions. By becoming aware of your beliefs, challenging them, and actively working to reshape them, you can take control of your trading in a way you never thought possible. So, here's your challenge for the week. Start paying close attention to your self-talk during your trading sessions. Write down any limiting beliefs you notice. Then, for each one, come up with a more empowering alternative. Share your insights in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and grow together as a trading community. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And remember, the most important trade you'll ever make is the one where you invest in yourself and your mindset. We're all in this together, and sharing experiences helps everyone grow. And please don't forget to watch our next video about the dark side of trading psychology and how self-sabotage explained. Until next time, stay mindful, stay disciplined, and may the charts be ever in your favor. Happy trading.